Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of walking around this beautiful Ford Transit Nugget. So this is a factory built camper by Westphalia for Ford. Registration is Victor November 21, Tango Oscar Victor. Finished in a beautiful grey metallic. I'm going to walk you around in this video showing you all the condition and features. So as I said, finished in a beautiful grey metallic. Has LED headlights. We have front parking sensors there as well as front fog lights. Vehicle's in absolutely fantastic condition. Extremely low mileage. It's just been serviced at Ford. I'll show you the documentation for that later in the video. So as you can see, we're set up into what we refer at Raylands as day mode. So our awning is out, our table and chairs is all set up, pop roof's up, and table and chairs is all set up inside. So let's take a closer look. So we've got our lovely Westphalia awning out. Fantastic table and chairs here. This all folds away inside the van. These chairs in particular are really nice and comfy. Got a nice holder on there for drinks, as well as a insulated pocket here, so we could put some ice in there or keep some food or drinks chilled. Nice fold away table as well, which we can adjust the height on. So first thing we notice with the Nugget, which makes it far in front of its competitors, is the fact that it has two sliding doors, and it also features 3x3 rear seat belts in the rear, which you can't get on any other manufactured van of this size. We also have captain seats to the front. Fantastic lighting throughout. Obviously harder to see today because it's such a fantastic day today. Umbrella there as well, completely unopened as it left the factory. So if we sit through onto these seats here, we can get a feel of what it's like sat here. We can sit here looking at our stunning view here at Raylands. Beautiful view across South Somerset here. That is the pleasure of having the two sliding doors on this vehicle, is that it doesn't really matter what side we pull up, we've got our view wherever we pull up. So also a really good feature with the Nugget is that we can walk straight through without getting out of the van. So to the rear we've got a kitchen area, which we'll find here. We've got a twin gas hob burner. We also have our deep fridge as well. Got absolutely tons in there. We also have our sink area as well. This van also has an extremely rare feature on board as well, which is it has hot water. So just turn the water on here a minute so you can see it running. But really rare there to have hot water. Most of them have cold water only. LED lighting here, which is for the upstairs area when we've got the bed folded down, which we'll show you later in the video, but we can also adjust it for our food preparation area. Let's just walk straight through the back of the tailgate. So to the rear here, throughout the van we've got ample storage. Just open a couple cupboards to show you. Nice shelf on that one there. And we've got our storage here for our ladder and our sunshades. So the ladder affixes there, which we'll show you later, to access the upstairs bedding area. We're at the rear of the van a second. I'll just show you here. We have also another rare option. We have a shower. So I'll just demonstrate that for you now. Flick the switch. Fantastic after a day at the beach, or if you want to wash the dog off or anything like that. Absolutely superb. Again, you can see the under cabinet lighting there on the kitchen area as well. This area here is where the table folds away to. So we're going to get the van set up now into camping mode for sleeping. I'll just shut this door here a minute. Later in the video as well, we'll show you the inside of the front of the cab for our driving area. Just while we get that set up, let's take a look down the side here. So firstly we can see here is our 240 volt hookup area for when we're on campsite, so we can plug straight in. We also have our water area here as well, which is completely lockable, so water can't be tampered with. Tinted glass throughout. Looking down the sides here, we can see there's no scratches or dents or anything horrible like that at all. As I said, it's a fantastically low mileage. Oh, another feature we'll just show you here. To the rear, we also have a tow bar as well. Bostle, which is factory fitted one here, with a hookup as well for electric. So fantastic if we're towing a small trailer, or if we want to tow a boat or a jet ski, or put on a bicycle rack, anything like that. Again, really nice option to have. Again, looking down the sides here, you can see the reflection in the paint here. Colour really pops in the sun, being metallic. Alloy wheels throughout the whole van. These are 16 inches. Alloy wheels and Goodyear tyres all the way around. Completely unmarked alloy wheels there. Again, finished in a nice silver metallic. So while we're finishing off there, I'll just show you again our view here. Proud to show it. So this is what you'll see when you come and see us here at Raylands. Even across the bonnet here, there's no stone chips or anything at all. So I do believe we're nearly complete now. So here we go. Downstairs bed is all set up now. As you can see how quickly it folds down. Also to the rear, we also have our upstairs sleeping area as well, which I'll just lower for you now. Just show you that space there again with the curtains closed. Just lower that top roof panel a second. Bit difficult to do while holding a video camera. So there we go. All set up there nicely. That bit there just slots in at the top there. We also got the comfort area as well. So we've got these sprung areas here. Lovely mattress on top. All beautifully clean. Immaculate at the top here. So let's just walk through, jump in the front cabin. Just grab the keys just while we're here. So you can see we've got 2 keys with remote locking. So as you can see in the front here, we have got heated seats to the front. Just jump in. So it's only covered 13,000. Give me a second because we left all the doors open. 13,074 miles in total. Sorry for the warnings, just that we haven't shut all the doors. Give me a second. So we can see here, touchscreen. We have satellite navigation. Lovely large screen here, fantastic to use. We also have reverse camera as well, which if I just close the door and start the van, oh, you'll see the sky there because I haven't shut the boot lid down. But as you can see, when we select reverse, there's a reverse camera. There is a picture of it with the tailgate down. It's just because I've left the tailgate open. Got air conditioning as well. Lovely, nice and ice cold as you expect. Heated front seats as we mentioned. Another thing to show you. So I'll just turn that down there. So we've got a receipt here from Dorchester Ford for ourselves. It's had a service carried out for us. So it's only just been carried out, 13,032 miles. It's done 13,074. We've got a service print there as well. This vehicle also comes with a 12-month AA basic breakdown cover as well when you buy from us, as we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. Drives absolutely fantastic. It's in fantastic order and condition, just been serviced. Just also show you there, we've got cruise control as well, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, electric windows. It has it all. Like I said, it's very rare to have the heated water on board as well. So we have it all ready to go and to enjoy for the summer. If you'd like to purchase, please feel free, give us a call, 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923, or view RaylandCarsales.co.uk. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll speak to you soon.